Greetings, everyone! An iPhone is essentially useless without a working touchscreen, so if it fails to respond to your touch, it's a problem you need to solve immediately. If you're encountering touch-related or screen issues on your iPhone or iPad, don't panic. There are simple solutions to tackle these problems. Whether it's a software glitch or a hardware hiccup, I'll guide you through the troubleshooting process. In most cases, it's probably a software glitch, so try force restarting your device. Since the touchscreen remains unresponsive, you cannot slide to power off your iPhone. Therefore, we got a method to force restart with the buttons itself. To do so, press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button until your phone powers off. Once it's off, release the buttons and wait for it to restart. Doing this will make your touchscreen responsive. If the touchscreen remains unresponsive after a while, proceed to update your device through the Settings app. Now, if your device has a persistent hardware issue and the screen isn't functioning at all, it's time to consider professional help. If your device is under warranty, Apple will repair it at no cost. Otherwise, contacting Apple support and scheduling a repair appointment is the next step. For older iPhones, it might be more cost-effective to upgrade, especially if you lack AppleCare. However, if your device is still under warranty, Apple might cover the repair expenses. Contact Apple support, share your issue, and they will guide you through the necessary steps. Remember to explore Apple's support page for your device model, as there might be specific recall programs that could alleviate the issue. That's all about it. Thanks for tuning in. Feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Your feedback is appreciated. Don't forget to hit the like button and, more importantly, subscribe for future updates. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.